Welcome to this episode of Health and Wellness with Dr. Pen, where we are going to be looking at one of the important reasons people suffer from chronic diseases. Chronic diseases are those diseases that last for a very long period of time in the body without no direct medical treatment. These chronic diseases have become so frequent in the society that both the young and the old people suffer from it. At first, we used to consider chronic diseases to be diseases of the old people, but it is now an affair of both the young and the old people. And many people are now asking why this is happening. So I'm here to share with you that one important reason that both the young and the old people are suffering from chronic diseases nowadays. Chronic diseases, we said we have diseases like diabetes, we have diseases like hypertension, cardiovascular diseases, gout, arthritis, and so on. There are so many chronic diseases, and if you look left and right, and not to talk of visit hospitals around where you are, you will discover that there are a lot of people in hospitals who are suffering from these chronic diseases, and many end up losing their lives. And so chronic diseases are genetic problems. Most of them originate from the gene modification in our cells, the cells of our body, that lead to us suffering from these chronic diseases. And why do these genes in our bodies get modified? And what can modify them? It is because of our habit towards the food that we consume. Food is a natural medication that was given to us by the Creator to maintain our body, to heal us from diseases, and to repair our system. Our habit towards this food, not knowing exactly the kind of food we consume, and not respecting the conditions. Food is a medication, and so it needs to be respected with time and the kind of medication and the kind of food that you consume. And if it is not respected, if the conditions are not respected, it becomes a problem in the body. That is where you see this food that we consume lead to genetic modifications in our body, which result to chronic diseases. To solve this problem is to understand exactly what it takes us to fit on, to eat. What is the right food for us to eat, and how we need to eat this food, when to eat it. And if we can understand and follow a good nutrition, then our body will be maintained, will be repaired, and we will live healthy, because that was the role of food to the body as the Creator gave it to us. Thank you very much for listening to this video, and see you in the next episode of Health and Wellness. Ciao.